it's Amy, and I got balloons behind me because I got a package from YouTube, and I want to open it with you guys. I cannot believe that I got this package, and Michael bought me these balloons. Congratulations. Y'all can read the title. I'm super excited. This is what it looks like on the inside. And it comes with this card. So thank you, Rick, for packaging this product. And then it has a letter, and it says you've done something that very few creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 1,000 people subscribe to your channel. You know the numbers on YouTube can be really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of reality behind this 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you create. They are inspired, challenged, and entertained. You achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and possibly a healthy sense of humor too. What you accomplished can't be taken away from you, and we would like to recognize you for all your hard work with this Silver Creator Award as a small token of our self-esteem and respect. We know that you don't do this for the reward, but you do it because you have the drive to create and share, because you found an audience who cares. Believe us when we say we can't wait to see what you do next. 1 million subscribers seems like a long way off. Oh yeah. But you are closer than you think. We're rooting for you. Congratulations. Sincerely, Susan. I'm not going to say her last name because I don't know how to say it. But she is the CEO of YouTube. And look here, guys. It's here. I'm finally holding it in my arms. Officially Amy Slayton. It's going in my background soon. And on the back it's velvet. And it has these little, I'm going to call them hooks. But yeah, it's here and it's beautiful. And I just want to say thank you so much for helping me reach my goal. It has been a long, deserved wait. You guys deserve this as much as I do, because you watch the videos, you like the videos, you comment the videos, you help create some of the videos, you're just a big part of this channel. So this channel, as much as mine as it is your guys, and I just want to say thank you so much for helping me reach this milestone. And yeah, we did it, you guys. It is beautiful, and I can't wait to hit my next milestone with you guys. And thank you so much for being here with me. I just really, really appreciate everything, you guys. And can you see yourselves? This is you guys. Officially is a part of us. Like, you are the officially on Officially Amy Slayton. Like, y'all mean the world to me. This means the world to me. And thank you. I can't thank y'all enough for helping me reach this. And I'm thinking about putting this right here on the back somehow, so I can keep this letter with it. So I can remember the kind words Susan said to me in the letter. And yeah, I can just trim this back part off and have it, or I can just frame this part, frame this, and put it up with it. What do you guys think? Again, thank you so much. I might go ahead and, if I frame that, I'll probably put this on the back. This little card from Rick on the back. But yeah, this is a huge accomplishment, and I can't wait to see it on my wall every day. Even when I'm sad, I know that you guys are here for me, and it really does. I can't express how much it means to me. Like, if I'm having a bad day, I can just contact y'all on Instagram or Facebook or any platform, and y'all are there for me. And thank you guys so much. And I'll be back with some more videos later. Have a nice day. Bye, YouTube. Subscribe.